Hi, this is Nancy at Notions, and we had a vendor visit in today, Zig or Kurtaki, and they brought two artists with them. And it's kind of, there's two totally different sides to Kurtaki. So I want to have the artists show you. We're going to come to Carol in a little bit. She's going to do some letter writing with the beautiful say it for me, please.
Gansai Tambi.
Thank you very much. But we're going to start with Adam. Adam is a graphic artist, so doing the manga art using the alcohol markers. Hi, Adam.
Hi. So I'm going to color Luffy here from One Piece using our Kurecolor markers. These are refillable markers. You can replace the tips. If you don't like a broad tip, you want more of a brush tip, we got that for you. So I'm going to start coloring this and hopefully get it done before the end of the video.
And the race is on.
So I'm going to start with our chisel tip right here. Helps you get a nice consistent color right in there. The beautiful thing about these is these are all very blendable, and if you find yourself struggling with one side, you can always flip it around and flip it over just like that. Little technique tip for you guys: coloring in a circle prevents marker lines, which are always a dread, unless you want those, gives it some movement a little bit. So
what is this character's name again?
his name is Luffy. He's from One Piece.
Luffy. Okay. Oh, so he's an actual character. You didn't make him up.
No.
Okay. Honestly, I thought you were saying lefty because you're a lefty.
Because I'm lefty.
And I thought,
I think maybe they should change the name.
I think you should.
So right here, we're going to come in and do some contours. I color a little bit backwards. It's just a personal preference. I color in my shadows first, because then I can blend over the top with a lighter color and create a gradient. So.
All right, so while Adam is continuing to work on his graphic artist piece, we're going to come over to Carol. Now, Adam's going to keep coloring. We're going to come back and see how far he gets. Carol is a letter writing expert, I guess. I mean, everything you write seems to be perfectly, it's like you've got that perfect hand for, and I'm the sloppiest writer on the planet.
But it's all in the pen and the markers. So Kurtaki markers will give you that great handwriting and fun things like that. But today we're going to talk a little bit about the Gansai Tambi. Gansai Tambi is our watercolors. They are a mica fine that comes with the intense colors. And so, and then we're also going to use, along with it, a water brush. So this is a water brush that I have loaded with water. You just simply push it and underneath. So to be able to start, I'm going to just, you can see those little drops coming off. There you go, about three.
Now that palette that she's using, this is the new Gems color.
Yes,
these are
this
gorgeous.
Is just gem colors. So I'm just using the brush and being able to, yes, and luscious it is. And then if you just take and roll your end of your brush, then it will give you that fine tip. And then we can come over here and we can just begin to, and if you can do your pushing, but you can see all of those great gem mica colors in there that
and
just
on the black, which looks so cool. The metallics on the black are so popular.
And if you want to keep your color consistent, you could load it every time. If you wanted to go along with a have a gradation of color, I'm just going to change color. So it's as easy as that. Just go ahead and take the brush, wipe it through, and now I'm going to go ahead and put my 3 drops of water. So this is a great water, it's called the Brush 2.0, and what's great about it is you can carry your water with you anywhere you go, and it just has a lid on it. And again, you're just building up that color, and this is the gem pink. So again, it has that beautiful pink, so I can pull in some more additional color and be able to really have fun with it.
Very cool. So out of this line, the large case has all the colors and a few metallics, but new to this line is the starry colors, so the beautiful metallics. This one is the pearl colors, absolutely gorgeous. Then the one that Carol was working is the gem colors. This little black piece here shows all the fabulous
Emily
colors.
did a great job on that piece.
All right, so now we're going to go back to Adam and see how he's doing. Ooh, he got a lot done. All right, he's like coloring like a madman over here.
So I switched tips here. So I went with our fine tip, so I can get in there and kind of block in all that little small areas.
So these are all products that we have on the Notions Marketing website. You want to contact your sales rep. Oh, these are all under Zig. So when you're on to the website, go all the way to the Z. It's under Zig is where you're going to find them.